students, let's read further. What are variables? So this is the definition which you have to write. It's a named memory location which holds a data value of a particular data type. Now, for example, see, all the variables are representing some storage locations. Okay, whatever we write or type, any value, it is done in the memory. So when we give that memory a name, we call them as a variable. For example, you want to store the name of a student, or you want to store the marks of a student. So we are going to give the value a name and the number a mark. Okay, some symbols, they are also known as symbolic variables, some symbols. Now how do we declare them? You will write the type and you will write the variable name. This is the syntax, the rule of declaring any variable name. Okay, for example, now variable name is an identifier, and there are certain rules which we have done in our earlier part of the chapter. Now this is how we declare. If you are going to write age of a person and you want to declare this variable age, so you declare it as int, then double pi value, float res, then double salary comma wage, int. We can separate if they are of the same data type. Month, day, year, they are of the same data type int, so we can write it in one line, or we can write it separately, int month semicolon, int day semicolon, int year semicolon, then long, distance and areas. After declaring, we need to initialize the variable. Initialize means giving the first value to the variable. Now you are writing int val is equal to 1001. So this is the first value you are declared. This is the declaration part, equal to sign. I can write this in two steps. I can write int val semicolon, and on the next step I can write val is equal to 1001. And these are further some declaration and initialization of the variables. Okay, so you will mark the note on this page. So on this page you will learn how to write a program on Bluej. Once you install Bluej, click on the project, select the new project, give the name to the project, and then that project opens. Click on the class, write the name, click OK, and you get something like this. Double click and it is going to open the window where some coding is written. So you write the coding here, and then you have to click on compile. So when you compile, you have to right click, select this option, the name will be given, click OK, this program will come, right click here, and my method program. So you will get the answer. One program already you have seen in the previous videos. Now this is the first program, how to write. In your notebook you have already written something using system.out.println. Now if you see this program, it is name variable declared as string, and you have given the name as Rohan in inverted commas because this is a string variable. Then integer int age is equal to 16, and then you are printing these on the screen. Thank you.